Hi, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, my colours today. What should we start with? We'll start with the interference colour. This one is TLP Glisten, which is interference turquoise, teal. Hopefully you can see. Can you see the shimmer? It shows up really well over black, but it also, ooh, lump. You can also see it if you use on a white base, but obviously it's a lot more subtle. But I really like that effect. That's all of it. Really pretty, I really love that. And this one is Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. This one is Triart Cobalt Teal. And then we've got the Boomgels. We've got Mana Crab Blue and Pearlescent Pearl. I might just use that one twice instead of that. Yeah, no, I'll see. These are ready to use straight from the bottle. Boomgel. You can buy them from the same place that you buy your TLPs, Fluid Art Co. But they're great to have. Sometimes you run out of colours, or you can't be bothered to mix any colours up, and then you can just get your Boomgels out and just, if you feel the need that you want to pour and you haven't got the time to mix paints up, get your Boomgels out. Okay, cell activator. This is a custom gold mix, which is Precious Gold by Pebeo, Iridescent Gold Fine by Golden, and Rich Gold by Atelier, mixed with Floetrol, approximately 1.5 parts Floetrol to 1 part of paint. Now, there's no reason why I mix 3 different golds together other than I like to experiment, and by mixing these 3 golds you get a really nice colour. I've been mixing my Pebeo and the Atelier for quite a while, and then I just thought, I wonder what would happen to the gold if I added some golden to it. Don't think it makes any difference with the lacing, but personally I think that's beautiful gold. Have I shown you that one, Pearlescent Pearl? Can't remember. I'm working on a 14 by 18 inch canvas, and I'm going to attempt to do another really minimal swipe today, so fingers crossed. Let's get messy. I just found this other interference colour, which is by Jo Sonja. It's called Interference Turquoise, so I'm going to put that on as well as the Glisten and hopefully ramp up the turquoise interference. This one I'm showing you now, I didn't use the Mana Crab Blue or the Iridescent Pearl. I just used Boomgel Stain Sterling Wax White underneath my cell activator.
kicking round dust, you're alone around the run. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. You may be a seeker, but I'm a believer, keeping the hope you need. You don't wanna load it onto my shoulders to carry all of your fears, but I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, 'cause you make it all through the day. Ooh. Falling for the sirens, looking for guidance. I can be the hand you reach. Oh. Baby, you can lay all onto my shoulders. I'll carry all of your fears, and I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Sitting on the sidewalk, kicking round dust, you're alone around the run. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone.
This is my favourite part, or one of my favourite parts, where the gold CA is collected just in certain areas. No idea why that's happened. It was really pretty. Love it. So clean and minimal. I like this piece. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I publish a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Love you all. Thanks. Bye. Take care.